Welcome to Tungal online classes. See students, today we are going to start that trigonometric objective classes. Okay. So here in the PU we are completed that trigonometry. So what is that one? Trigonometric ratios and compound angles, next multiple submultiples and transformations and periodicity and variation of graphs and also trigonometric equations also. So here we are going to start the objective. So first in the topic is the trigonometric ratios. So see some synopsis in this topic. So what is the synopsis are? So see that one students. So one right angle is equal to, what is the meaning of one right angle? One right angle is nothing but pi by 2 radians. Pi by 2 radians. What is the meaning of pi by 2 radians? Pi by 2 radians is nothing but 90 degrees. Yes or no? And also pi radians. What is the meaning of pi radians? Pi radians is nothing but two right angles. So that is nothing but 180 degrees. So one right angle meaning is pi by 2 radians and it is nothing but 90 degrees. Pi radians meaning is nothing but two right angles and it is 180 degrees. And also see students, 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes. 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes and 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. 60 seconds. 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes and 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. And also see students, 1 degree is approximately equal to 0.01745 radians. 1 degree is equal to 0.01745 radians approximately. And also 1 radian is equal to approximately, so that is the 57 degrees, 17 minutes 45 seconds. So 1 degree is approximately equal to 0.01745 radians and 1 radian is equal to 57 degrees 17 minutes 45 seconds. So see these are conditions students. Next see that one. Trigonometric ratios. So what is the meaning of the trigonometric ratios? Trigonometric ratios is nothing but if you can take a triangle here, A, B and C, the angle at C here it is a theta and I am taking this value is x and if this value is y and it is a r. So what is the trigonometric ratios? Trigonometric ratios is nothing but the ratios of the sides. The ratios of the sides of the triangle. The ratios of the sides of the triangle is called the trigonometric ratios. So it will give you that 6 trigonometric ratios here. So what is that one? So first one is sin theta. What is the sin theta? Sin theta is nothing but opposite side by hypotenuse. What is the opposite side? Opposite side by hypotenuse. And also what is the cos theta? Cos theta is nothing but adjacent side by hypotenuse. So that is nothing but adjacent side by hypotenuse. And also see this one, that is the tan theta. What is the tan theta? Tan theta is nothing but opposite side by adjacent side, that is nothing but y by x comma x not equal to 0. And the reciprocals of these three. First one, sine reciprocal. What is the sine reciprocal? Sine reciprocal is nothing but the cosecant theta. What is the cosecant theta? Is nothing but r by y. It is the reciprocal of sine. So cosecant theta is equal to r by y comma y not equal to 0. Next one is secant theta. What is the secant theta? Secant theta is the reciprocal of cos. Secant theta is the reciprocal of cos. So that is nothing but what it is nothing but r by x comma x not equal to 0. Next one is the cot. So cot theta. What is the cot? Cot is nothing but the reciprocal of tan. So that is nothing but it will become that x y comma y not equal to 0. So these are the trigonometric ratios. So what is the sine? Sine is nothing but opposite side by hypotenuse. And what is the cos? Cos is nothing but adjacent side by hypotenuse. And what is the tan? Tan is nothing but opposite side by adjacent side. And cosecant? Cosecant is the reciprocal of sine. So that is nothing but y by r is this. This will become x by r. That is r by y, r by y, y by r, and it is r by y, and y not equal to 0. And secant theta. What is the secant? Secant is nothing but the reciprocal of cos. It is the x by r. It will become r by x, comma x not equal to 0. And cot theta. What is the cot theta? Cot theta is nothing but x by y, and y not equal to 0. The denominator is not equal to 0. So these are the trigonometric ratios. And also we can see that some identities in the trigonometric ratios. Some important conditions. So see students, trigonometric identities. So see this one. So see this, sin theta into cosecant theta, sin theta into cosecant theta. So what is the sine? Sine is nothing but y by r into cosecant. Cosecant is nothing but r by y. Then it will become 1. Yes or no? So sin theta into cosecant theta is 1. And also see students, next one is cos theta into the reciprocal is secant theta. Why? Because the secant theta is 1 by cos. So automatically the product will become 1. Similarly, tan theta into the reciprocal is cot theta. So cot theta can be written as 1 by tan theta. So tan theta it will be cancelled, it will become 1. So and also see this one, important conditions here. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. From this condition, what we can written as sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. Sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos theta. And sin theta is equal to plus or minus square root of 1 minus cos square theta. Similarly, cos square theta can be written as 1 minus sin square theta. Cos square theta you can written as 1 minus sin square theta. So that is nothing but cos theta can be written as plus or minus square root of 1 minus sin square theta. So sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. And sin square theta is nothing but 1 minus cos square theta, and sin theta can be written as a plus or minus square root of 1 minus cos square theta. Similarly, cos square theta can be written as 1 minus sin square theta. Cos square theta can be written as 1 minus sin square theta, and cos theta is nothing but plus or minus square root of 1 minus sin square theta. Okay. So similarly, see some conditions here, important conditions. So secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. And here, so this is the one formula. From this one, what is the formula so we can derive? So secant square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. Secant square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta, and tan square theta is equal to secant square theta minus 1. So secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Secant square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta, and tan square theta is equal to secant square theta minus 1. And also see students, so see here, secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. It is in the form of a square minus b square. A square minus b square. This can be written as a plus b into a minus b. That is nothing but secant theta plus tan theta into secant theta minus tan theta, that is equal to 1. secant theta plus tan theta into secant theta minus tan theta is equal to 1. So that implies secant theta plus tan theta is equal to 1 by secant theta minus tan theta, or secant theta minus tan theta is equal to 1 by secant theta plus tan theta. So you will get two formulas here. So secant theta minus tan theta is the reciprocal of secant theta plus tan theta, and secant theta plus tan theta is the reciprocal of secant theta minus tan theta. Are you understand, students? So secant theta plus tan theta is equal to 1 by secant theta minus tan theta, and also secant theta minus tan theta is equal to 1 by secant theta plus tan theta. So if this value is given, this value secant theta minus tan theta is given, if they will ask in the objective what is the secant theta plus tan theta, is the reciprocal. For example, this value is a 3 by 5. Automatically this value will become 5 by 3. I understand. If you know this formula, you will get in one step answer. So what is that? Secant theta minus tan theta is the reciprocal of secant theta plus tan theta, and secant theta plus tan theta is the reciprocal of secant theta minus tan theta. So similarly, see that one. So you can see that cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. Cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. So similarly, what is the formula so you can derive here? So cosecant square theta can be written as 1 plus cot square theta, and also cot square theta is equal to cosecant square theta minus 1. Cosecant square theta is equal to 1 plus cot square theta, and cot square theta is equal to cosecant square theta minus 1. Cosecant square theta minus 1. And also see, students, so cosecant theta plus cot theta is equal to, what is that? Similarly from this one, so we can written directly. So this is nothing but cosecant theta minus cot theta, and cosecant theta minus cot theta is equal to, cosecant theta minus cot theta is equal to 1 by cosecant theta plus cot theta. So see this condition, students. So sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. First one, sin theta into cosecant theta is a 1, cos theta into secant theta is a 1, tan theta into cot theta is a 1, sin square theta plus cot square theta is equal to 1, sin theta is equal to plus or minus square root of 1 minus cos square theta, cos theta is equal to plus or minus square root of 1 minus sin square theta, secant square theta minus tan square theta is a 1, secant square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta, and tan square theta is equal to secant square theta minus 1. So secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. So secant theta plus tan theta into secant theta minus tan theta is equal to 1. So that implies secant theta plus tan theta is equal to 1 by secant theta minus tan theta, and also secant theta minus tan theta is equal to 1 by secant theta plus tan theta. Similarly for cosecant and cot also. Okay, students. So see these identities. See some conditions, students, here. So see that one. Secant square theta into cosecant square theta is equal to secant square theta plus cosecant square theta. Secant square theta into cosecant square theta is equal to secant square theta plus cosecant square theta. So see this one condition, students, how to solve this one. So secant square theta into cosecant square theta. What is the meaning of that? That is nothing but 1 by sine is cos, 1 by cosecant is nothing but a sine. So it can be written as sine square theta into cos square theta. So secant square theta into cosecant square theta you can written as 1 by sine square theta into cos square theta. This one you can written as sine square theta plus cos square theta by sine square theta into cos square theta. This one I am written sine square theta plus cos square theta. Separate the terms, students. What we will get that sine square theta by sine square theta into cos square theta plus cos square theta by sine square theta into cos square theta. Cancel the terms, students. 1 by cos square theta plus 1 by sine square theta. So then automatically it will become secant square theta plus cosecant square theta. So secant square theta into cosecant square theta you can written as secant square theta plus cosecant square theta. All are understood, students? So see the next one is tan square theta minus tan square theta minus sin square theta. Tan square theta minus sin square theta is equal to tan square theta into sin square theta. So see this condition, students. So tan square theta minus sin square theta is equal to tan square theta into sin square theta. So what is that meaning? See that. So this tan square theta minus sin square theta. This tan square theta you can written as sin square theta by cos square theta minus sin square theta. So what happens, students? From the numerator you can take the common sin square theta. What is the remaining is 1 by cos square theta minus 1. So that is nothing but a sin square theta. If you can take the LCM, 1 minus cos square theta by cos square theta. So that is nothing but sin square theta. 1 minus cos square is nothing but sin square theta by cos square theta. That is nothing but sin square theta into tan square theta. So tan square theta minus sin square theta, tan square theta minus sin square theta you can written as sin square theta into tan square theta. Similarly you can take that cot square theta minus cos square theta. Cot square theta minus cos square theta is nothing but cot square theta into cos square theta. Similar. So see this one. So how can you written this? Cot square theta minus cos square theta. Cot square you can written as cos square theta by sin square theta minus cos square theta. So what is the term you can take the common, students? So if you can take that cos square theta common, it will become 1 by sin square theta minus 1. So that is equal to cos square theta into, take the LCM, 1 minus sin square theta by sin square theta. So that is equal to cos square theta into 1 minus sin square is nothing but cos square theta by sin square theta. So that is nothing but cos square theta. Cos square by sin square is nothing but cot square theta. So see that, students, once again, secant square theta into cosecant square theta is equal to secant square theta plus cosecant square theta, and tan square theta minus sin square theta is equal to tan square theta into sin square theta, and cot square theta minus cos square theta. Cot square theta minus cot square theta is equal to cot square theta into cos square theta. All are understood, students? So see that questions. See the next one. See the next one, students. What is the next one? Is sin square theta plus cos power 4 theta. Sin square theta plus cos power 4 theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta into cos square theta. That is also equal to sin power 4 theta plus cos square theta. So sin square theta plus cos power 4 theta you can written as 1 minus sin square theta into cos square theta, and sin square theta cos power 4 theta you can written as sin power 4 theta plus cos square theta also. So see this one, students, how to solve this. So sin square theta plus cos power 4 theta. So how to convert into this model? So this one I am written that 1 into sin square theta plus cos power 4 theta. So 1 sin square theta just I am multiplied with 1. So what is the 1? 1 is nothing but sin square theta plus cos square theta into sin square theta plus cos power 4 theta. Multiply the terms, students. What happens? That is equal to sin power 4 theta plus sin square theta cos square theta plus cos power 4 theta. So that is nothing but, so what I am doing that, this sin power 4 I am writing that sin square theta whole square plus this cos power 4 I will written that cos square theta whole square plus sin square theta cos square theta I will add sin square theta cos square theta, then it will become 2 sin square. Just you can take that sin square theta cos square theta. Sin power 4 I am written sin square whole square, cos power 4 I am written cos square whole square. The sin square theta I am written 2 sin square theta cos square theta minus sin square theta cos square theta. If you can split, you can combine this one, you will get this one. Okay, so why I am written this one? It is in the form of a square plus b square plus 2ab, a square plus b square plus 2ab. So what is that form here, students? Sin square theta plus cos square theta whole square, sin square theta plus cos square theta whole square, a plus b whole square minus this value. This value is nothing but sin square theta into cos square theta. So sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1 minus this value is nothing but sin square theta into cos square theta. All are understood, students? So sin square theta plus cos power 4 theta you can written as 1 minus sin square theta into cos square theta. So similarly sin power 4 and plus cos power 4, how can you written this? So see this one, sin square theta plus cos power 4 theta. So sin square theta plus this cos power 4 you can written as cos square theta whole square. So that is nothing but sin square theta plus this cos square theta you can written as 1 minus sin square theta whole square. Cos square theta you can written as 1 minus sin square theta whole square. So sin square theta plus, expand this value, students, what we will get that 1 plus a square plus b square. B square is nothing but sin power 4 theta minus 2ab. Minus 2ab is nothing but 2 sin square theta. So that is equal to 1. Sin square theta minus 2 sin square theta is nothing but minus sin square theta plus sin power 4 theta. So 1 minus sin square is nothing but cos square theta into sin power 4 theta. So see, students, so sin square theta plus cos power 4 theta you can written as 1 minus sin square theta into cos square theta, and sin square theta plus cos power 4 theta you can also written as sin power 4 theta plus cos square theta also. All are understood, students? So see that question. And the next one is sin power 4 theta plus cos power 4 theta is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square theta cos square theta. Sin power 4 theta plus cos power 4 theta is nothing but 1 minus 2 sin square theta cos square theta. See students, how can you solve this one? So sin power 4 theta plus cos power 4 theta can be written as, can be taken it as sin power 4 you can written as sin square theta whole square plus cos power 4 theta you can written as cos square theta whole square. So you have the formula. What is that? A square plus b square you can written as a plus b whole square minus 2ab. A square plus b square you can written as a plus b whole square minus 2ab. A plus b whole square minus 2ab. So this can be written as, this can be written as sin square theta plus cos square theta whole square minus 2 sin theta cos theta. So this value is 1 minus 2 sin theta cos theta. So sin power 4 theta plus cos power 4 theta, if you will get in the problem, then you can written in the form 1 minus 2 sin theta cos theta directly. And also see here in the same model, if you can take this sin power 6 theta plus cos power 6 theta is equal to 1 minus 3 sin square theta into cos square theta. Sin power 6 theta plus cos power 6 theta you can written as 1 minus 3 sin square theta into cos square theta. So see students, so what is this? Sin power 6 theta plus cos power 6 theta you can written as sin square theta whole cube plus cos power 6 you can written as cos square theta whole cube. So you have the formula once again. What is that? A cube plus b cube you can written as a plus b whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b. So what is the a cube plus b cube formula? A plus b whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b. 3ab into a plus b. So that is the formula. Here we are going to use that. A plus a is nothing but a sin square theta plus cos square theta. So that is equal to sin square theta plus cos square theta whole cube minus 3 into a is nothing but sin square theta, b is nothing but cos square theta into a plus b is nothing but sin square theta plus cos square theta. So what happens students? That is nothing but 1 minus 3 into, that is a 1 cube minus 3 into sin square theta into cos square theta into 1. So what is that? 1 minus 3 sin square theta into cos square theta. So sin power 6x plus cos power 6x you can written as 1 minus 3 sin square x cos square x. So see students, see that sin x plus sin x plus sin square x plus cosecant square x. So sin square x plus cosecant square x is greater than or equal to 2. Sin square x plus cosecant square x is greater than or equal to 2. So how to prove this one here? See students. So we know that arithmetic mean is greater than or equal to geometric mean. Yes or no? Yes or no? So what is the arithmetic mean of AB? A plus B by 2. What is the geometric mean of AB? Root AB. Yes or no? Square root of AB. So arithmetic mean of sin square x plus cosecant square x. What is the arithmetic mean? That is nothing but sin square x plus cosecant square x whole by 2 is greater than or equal to geometric mean. What is the geometric mean? Square root of AB is nothing but sine square x into cosecant square x. So that implies sine square x plus cosecant square x by 2 is greater than or equal to sine square x and cosecant square x will be cancelled, it will become 1. So that implies sine square x plus cosecant square x is greater than or equal to 2. So similarly you can take that cos square x, cos square theta, cos square x plus secant square x. So cos square x plus secant square x is greater than or equal to 2. Similarly, tan square x plus cot square x is also greater than or equal to 2. So sin square x plus cosecant square x is greater than or equal to 2, and cos square x plus secant square x is also greater than or equal to 2, and tan square x plus cot square x is also greater than or equal to 2. Okay, so see these conditions, students. Next one is sign of trigonometric ratios. So what is the sign of the trigonometric ratios? See this one here, students. So first one is, this is a 0 to 90. So this is the 180 degrees, and the next one is 270 degrees, and the next one is 360 degrees. So in the first quadrant, what is the total is divided into 4 quadrants. In the first quadrant, that is nothing but Q1. In the Q1, all trigonometric functions, all trigonometric ratios are positive. All trigonometric ratios are positive. In what is this angle is 0 less than theta less than 90 degrees, 0 to 90. So it is belongs to the Q1. So that is in this one all trigonometric ratios are positive. What is the Q2? Q2 is nothing but, what is the Q2 is? Q2 is nothing but 90 is less than theta is less than 180 degrees. In this one, what is the trigonometric functions are positive? Sine, comma, the reciprocal is nothing but cosecant or positive and the remaining all are negative. Only 2 trigonometric functions are positive. What is that? Sine and cosecant are positive. In the Q3, what is the Q3 is? In the Q3, that is nothing but 180 degrees is less than theta is less than 180, that is 270 degrees. So in this quadrant, that is nothing but a Q3. In this third quadrant, what is the trigonometric functions are positive? That is nothing but tan theta, comma, cot theta are positive. These two are positive. In Q4, what is the Q4 is? Q4 is nothing but 270 is less than theta is less than 360 degrees. So 360 degrees. So in this one, what is that? Cos theta, comma, reciprocal is nothing but secant theta are positive. So in the first quadrant, all trigonometric functions are positive. In the second quadrant, sine and the reciprocal is the cosecant are positive. In the Q3, tan and reciprocal cot are positive. Q4, cos and its reciprocal secant are positive. So how can you remember this? All silver tea cups. All silver. First starting with the sine, so you have to remember that as a silver. Next one is a tea, that is nothing but the tan, and it will start with the cups. So it will start with the cosine. Okay, so all silver tea cups. So all trigonometric functions are positive in the first quadrant. Sine and reciprocal is a cosecant are positive in the second quadrant, and in the third quadrant, tan and cot are positive in the third quadrant, and in the fourth quadrant, cot and secant are positive in the fourth quadrant. Okay, students. So see this one. Values of trigonometric ratios. Values of trigonometric ratios for certain angles. So see students. So what is the angles are here? So first one we will take that sine and cos, next tan, next cot, next secant, next one is cosecant theta. So what is the angles general values? We will take that 0, and the next one is pi by 6, next one is pi by 4, and the next one is pi by 3, next one is pi by 2. So see this one, students. So that is nothing but 0 degrees, next one is 30 degrees, the next one is 45 degrees, next one is 60 degrees, and the next one is 90 degrees. So first see the sine, what is the values are. Sine 0 is 0, pi by 6, sine 30 is 1 by 2, and sine pi by 4 is 1 by root 2, and sine 60 is nothing but root 3 by 2, and sine 90 is 1. Next one is cos 0 is 1. So cos values you can written the reverse of this sign, So what is that? 1 and root 3 by 2 and 1 by root 2, next 1 by 2, next 0. So what is that? Cos 0 is 0, and cos 30 is root 3 by 2, and cos 45 is 1 by root 2, and cos 60 is 1 by 2, and cos 90 is 0. Next tan. What is the tan? Tan is nothing but sin theta by cos theta. What is that? 0 by 1 is the 0. Next one is 1 by root 2 by root 3 by 2. So that is nothing but 1 by root 3. 1 by root 2 by 1 by root 2. It will become 1. Root 3 by 2 by 1 by 2. 1 by 2, 2 will be cancelled. It will become root 3. Next 1 by 0 is not defined. So next one is cot. What is the cot? Cot is nothing but cos by sine. Cos by sine is nothing but 1 by 0. 1 by 0 is infinitive. So it is not defined. Next one is so tan, cot you can written the reciprocal of tan directly also. Okay. So what is that? Not defined. So this is you can written that reciprocal, that is nothing but 1 by root 3, it will become root 3, and it is the 1, the reciprocal of this, that is nothing but 1 by root 3, and 1 by, that is the 0. So secant, what is the secant? The secant is nothing but the reciprocal of cos, so write on this one. So that is nothing but 1. So cos reciprocal, cos 60 is nothing but cos 30 is nothing but 2 by root 3, pi by 4, that is nothing but the root 2, and this value is 2, and it is 0, it will become 1 by 0. So that meaning is it is not defined. 1 by 0 is infinity, you will get that one. So in that case we will written that it is not defined. So cosecant, what is the cosecant? Cosecant is nothing but the reciprocal of sine. So this is the 0. So 0 meaning is the reciprocal is 1 by 0. 1 by 0 is nothing but not defined, and it is a 1 by 2, it will become 2, and it is a 1 by root 2, it will become a root 2, and it is a root 3 by 2, it will become 2 by root 3, and it is a 1, it is a 1. So see that angles, so some trigonometric angles and certain trigonometric ratios of certain angles. So see that one, students. So trigonometric ratios. Trigonometric ratios and co-ratios and reciprocals. So what is this value, sir? First see this one, students. So first I will take the sine theta. Sine theta, what is the co-ratio of sine? Co-ratio of sine is nothing but cos theta. Co-ratio of sine is nothing but cos theta. Next one, cos. Cos theta co-ratio is sine theta, and tan. Tan theta co-ratio is cot theta. And next, cot theta. Cot theta co-ratio is tan theta. And secant theta. Secant theta co-ratio. Secant theta co-ratio is nothing but cosecant theta. Cosecant theta co-ratio. Cosecant theta co-ratio is nothing but secant theta. Next, reciprocals. What is the meaning of the reciprocal? Sine reciprocal is a 1 by sine. 1 by sine is nothing but the reciprocals is nothing but cosecant theta. Cos reciprocal is nothing but cos. 1 by cos. 1 by cos is nothing but secant theta. Tan reciprocal is cot theta. Cot reciprocal is tan theta. Secant theta reciprocal 1 by secant. 1 by secant is nothing but cos theta. Cosecant theta 1 by cosecant is nothing but sin theta. So see the students, difference of reciprocals and coratios. Reciprocals and its coratios. The difference is there. Or understand this? So sine coratio is cos. Cos coratio is sine. Tan coratio is cot. Cot coratio is tan. Cosecant reciprocal coratio is the cosecant, and cosecant theta coratio is the secant theta. So what is this coratios and what is the use of this one itself? So see students, so what is the meaning is that? See this one. Sine of n pi by 2 plus or minus theta. N pi by 2 plus or minus theta. So it will give you that plus or minus cos theta. So if n is odd, if n is odd, then sine n pi by 2, n is odd multiple, that means 90 plus theta or 90 minus theta. 3 pi by 2 plus theta or 3 pi by 2 minus theta. Or understand that? So the outcome is plus or minus cos theta. It will take the coratio. So that is nothing but here students. So see this one. Cos of n pi by 2 plus or minus theta. It will take the coratio. What is that? Sin theta. It will convert into the form of sine. So n is odd. What is the meaning is a pi by 2, 3 pi by 2, 5 pi by 2, 7 pi by 2. Automatically it will take the coratios. So sine will take the coratio in terms of cos. Cos changes to sine, tan changes to cot changes to tan, secant changes to cosecant, and cosecant changes to secant. So that is nothing but a sine will changes to cos will changes to sine. Similarly, tan n pi by 2 plus or minus theta, it will changes to plus or minus cot theta. Next one is cot n pi by 2 plus or minus theta, it will changes to plus or minus tan theta. Next one is secant n pi by 2 plus or minus theta, it will be changes to cosecant theta plus or minus cosecant theta. Similarly, cosecant theta n pi by 2 plus or minus theta, it will be changes to plus or minus secant theta when it is the odd multiples of pi by 2. Why? Because n is odd, automatically it will become odd multiples of pi by 2 is there. Yeah, sin 90 minus theta, it will changes to cos theta. Yes or no? Sin 90 plus theta, it will changes to cos. 3 pi by 2 plus 3 pi by 2 minus, it will changes into minus cos theta. Yes or no? So in that model, automatically it will be changes. Similarly, if n is even, what happens? If n is even, what happens? If n is even, sin n pi by 2 plus or minus theta, it will remain the same, but the sign will change. That is, it will be take the same trigonometric function will outcome. Why? Because for example n is a 2, it will become pi plus theta. If 180 plus theta, so it will become the sine 180 plus 180 minus 180 plus is the minus sine theta, 180 minus theta is the sine theta. Are understanding that? If it is the odd multiples of pi by 2, it will take the coratios. Otherwise it will get the same trigonometric ratio. It will take that same trigonometric ratios. N is even. So similarly, cos of n pi by 2 plus or minus theta, it will be changes to plus or minus cos theta, and tan of n pi by 2 plus or minus theta, it is a plus or minus tan theta, and cot n pi by 2 plus or minus theta, it will be same plus or minus cot theta, and secant n pi by 2 plus or minus theta, it will be changes to plus or minus secant theta, and cosecant n pi by 2 plus or minus theta, it will be plus or minus cosecant theta. So if it is odd multiples of pi by 2, it will take the co-ratios. That is the use of the co-ratios. What is the co-ratios? Sine changes to cos, cos changes to sine, tan changes to cot, cot changes to tan, secant changes to cosecant, and cosecant changes to secant. These are the co-ratios. Are you understanding that? If n is even, so n is even meaning is it will become sin 180 plus theta, sin 180 minus theta, sin 2 pi plus theta, sin 2 pi minus theta. In that cases, the same trigonometric will be, you will get that same trigonometric ratios outcomes also. Okay, so if it is odd multiples, you will take the co-ratios. That is the use of this table itself. Okay, so don't confuse with the co-ratios and the reciprocals. Okay, so reciprocals is nothing but 1 by sine, 1 by cos, 1 by tan, and 1 by secant, and 1 by cosecant. Okay, so the co-ratios is nothing but you will get these ones. Okay, so see, these are conditions, students. We'll continue in the next class. Okay.